Ever wondered how some people seem to make their money work for them, growing it into a fortune over time? It might look like magic, but it's not. It's the power of investing, and it's one of the most effective ways to build long-term wealth and secure your financial future. It's not just for the rich or the experts, it's for anyone willing to learn and start, and today, we're going to show you how. First things first, you need a map before you start your journey. That map is your set of clear financial goals. What are you investing for? Close your eyes and picture it. Is it the keys to your dream house? The thrill of buying a new car without a loan? Or maybe it's the freedom of a comfortable retirement, sipping coffee on your porch without a single financial worry. These visions are your motivation. It's crucial to separate your short-term goals, like a vacation next year, from your long-term ones, like retirement in 30 years. This distinction will help you choose the right investment strategies for each objective. With your goals in sight, it's time to learn the language of investing. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Think of stocks as owning a tiny piece of a company, like Apple or Amazon. When the company does well, the value of your piece can go up. Bonds, on the other hand, are like lending money to a government or a company. In return, they pay you interest over a set period. Then there are mutual funds, which are like a pre-packaged basket of various stocks, bonds, or other assets managed by a professional. They're a great way for beginners to instantly diversify without having to pick individual investments. Now, for the most important rule, start small, but start now. You don't need a huge amount of money to begin. The real secret ingredient is time, thanks to the magic of compounding. Imagine planting a small seed. Over time, it grows into a tree that produces its own seeds, which then grow into more trees. That's compounding. Your initial investment earns returns, and then those returns start earning their own returns. A chart showing an investment of just a few $100s a month can look unimpressive in the first few years, but stretch that timeline out to decades, and you'll see it curve upwards into a staggering sum. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. As you start investing, remember the old saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket. This is the core principle of diversification. If you invest all your money in a single company and it performs poorly, you could lose a lot. But if you spread your money across different types of investments, stocks, bonds, maybe some real estate or international assets, you create a safety net. A well-balanced portfolio is designed to weather the ups and downs of the market. When one part of your portfolio is down, another might be up, smoothing out your returns and reducing your overall risk. So, let's recap the journey. You set clear goals to guide your path, learned the basic language of stocks and bonds, understood the incredible power of starting early with compounding, and protected yourself through diversification. The world of investing might seem vast and intimidating, but it's built on these simple, powerful principles. The most difficult step is often the first one. Don't wait for the perfect moment because it doesn't exist. Your financial future is waiting. The time to start your investment journey is today.